Okay, the mad scientist is gonna attempt something he's never done before. So, got me a new soldering iron. Okay, some flux. And some solder that has flux inside of it. So, since I don't know what the hell I'm doing, I'm not going to go shoving a soldering iron in there just yet. Okay? So I need to connect these two wires to the front of this head. So white on the left, pink on the right. Since it's on the front of the head, it's easy to get to. I have this weird contraption here for the soldering gun, and I'm gonna practice with this wire right here. I'm gonna teach myself how to solder before I go sticking a soldering iron in there. Okay? So, we're gonna give it our best shot to save this 44-year-old cassette deck. So, time to learn how to solder.